Dear friends, welcome to American English Center. It's a training place to enhance the personality of. In this globalized world, you are expected to do different roles in your day-to-day activities. Have to be multi-dimensional personality. Office, you have a different face, different personality. You come to home, you have to have a different personality. Speaking with your manager, speaking with your colleagues, speaking with your or interacting with your junior staff, each one you have to do different roles. The more the roles you do, the more the successful you are. What the society expects you. You cannot get fixed up in a single role. So here, in an organization, you are recruited over there. Sometimes you act as a manager, sometimes you act as the marketer, producer, or even a salesman, a traveler, a direct correspondent with the customer. With the diverse unions, you try to be a personal manager at times. During the times of entertainment, it's for you to show your exhibit your talents, to entertain your crowd, to entertain the people around you. When you come to the stage, you take the role of a stage speaker, communicating effectively to the audience. A good advertiser, a good marketer, a good manager, a good friend, a good philosopher, a good guide. So different roles and different dimensions of your personality to be exhibited. So here, some of the freshers have come here. We are going to assign them with different roles. And they come here and sit and be as a role model for that roles. So others are supposed to ask questions based on the roles which they act upon. So first, I request, I just say the name, please raise up your hand, and I ask them what is the role they are taking, and they have to answer. First, what's your name, Mr. Ram Mohan? Please raise up your hand. Okay. Take the mic and say what's the role you're going to do.
I'm going to play role of physical master, gym master.
Okay, gym master. That's what he is going to take the role of a gym master. Yes, Miss Sindhu. Mrs. Sindhu, what's the role you're going to take? Put on the mic, next on. Yeah.
I'm going to take the role of a computer engineer.
Computer engineer, but two different areas are there. Is it hardware or software?
Software.
Software engineer. Okay. What's your name, gentlemen?
My name is Abdul Salam.
Abdul Salam, what's the role you wish to take?
I'm going to computer hardware.
Computer hardware engineer, that's the role he is going to take. And Surin, what's the role you're going to take?
I am going to nursing.
Going for? A nurse. She wants to take the role of a nurse. What's your name, sir?
Pasupati.
Pasupati. What's the role you're going to take?
Village ones.
Okay, a man coming from village, a city like in Chennai, he is going to tell how a village life is all about. Yes, Miss Sugenya, what's the role you're going to take?
I'm going to take a role of film actress.
Film actress, a very important and respected role nowadays. They command crores of rupees and people give a lot of respect for that. Yes, what is the role which you are going to take?
I'm going to take a role of cardiologist.
A cardiologist, Miss Mahalashmi, is going to take the role of a cardiologist. Miss Muttalatu, what is the role you are going to take?
I'm going to take a role of interior decorator.
Interior decorator is the role Miss Muttalatu is going to take. And what's the role you are going to take?
Software engineer.
You are going to take the role of software engineer. Yes, Miss Babita.
I'm taking to role of cooker.
Oh, she is going to take the role of a cook. A cook. Okay. In Star Hotel, what do you name it as? Chef. Huh? Chef, isn't it? Okay. Connoisseur. Connoisseur means what? A specialist in certain art. Connoisseur of foods. In the sense, they're good in cooking and tasting the food. Okay, now let us start this role play.
What we have to do if our family members get a chest pain? We have to analyze that it's a chest pain or a normal gastric pain. We have to find that the patient having a pricking pain or the heavy strong pain. The strong pains means the patient feel that somebody is pressing the heart. They feel a heavy pain. It's a chest pain due to heart attack. It may be attack.
Is there any age limit to undergo this operation? I mean, the heart operation, is there any age limit?
According to the patient condition, we have surgeries. Some for pediatric also we are going for heart surgery due to that holes present in the heart. For older patients, we can see that about 35 or 40 the patient have undergone for bypass surgery.
What is the effect of smoking?
Smoking will spoil everybody, the whole body. It's easily affect the
Particular
for it affect the lungs first. Then only it easily affect the heart. Okay. First priority for lungs. Then only it can affect the whole body.
What are the types of chest pain?
We have many types of pain. Not only the patient get chest pain directly to the chest. The patient felt that pain at back of the neck, then shoulder. The patient get radiating pain from chest to left shoulder. The patient can pain in back, shoulder, everything. It's considered as a chest pain due to patient have block in heart.
If the patient has 3 blocks in his heart, there is necessary for the heart operation.
Yeah, it's very necessary for the patient. Otherwise, the patient can maybe death. So the patient have to take and the patient have to go for surgery immediately. It's a main for them.
For 1 or 2 blocks, is it good for go for angiogram or open surgery?
First, we have to find that angiogram is a main process to know the patient having 1 block or 2 block. In that angio only we can able to find that patient having 1 block or 2 block. The patient need surgery or not. So we need angiogram. The patient get chest pain. We have to know that. We have to take basic checkup as like ECG, echo. In that we had seen that patient has some block means. So we have to go for next we have to go for angiogram. In that only we can able to see where the patient have block, how many blocks they have.
Problems, clear, medicine.
According to the patient have the blocks, normal block means the patient can continue with medicine itself. For the patient have more than 2 blocks, they have to need surgery.
What are the precaution of heart attack?
What I know.
Precaution of heart attack.
Precaution of heart attack. We have to maintain a normal diet. We have to avoid a fatty diet. Then patient have to avoid the stress. This one all. Thank you.
Next, Sukanya, please come. நல்லா அப்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருங்க. அவங்க வரும்போது அப்ளோஸ் பண்ணி என்கரேஜ் பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. I have taken the role of a cine actress.
I have taken a role of cine actress.
Very good. You may ask questions. சினி ஆக்டர்ஸ் கால் மேலே கால் போட்டு அப்படி ஜம்முன்னு உட்காந்துக்க, சாஞ்சு உட்காந்துக்க, மைக் கேட்க கால் மேலே கால் போட்டுக்க. சினி ஆக்டர்ஸ் அப்படி தான் இருக்கும். ஒரு திரிஷா இப்படி உட்காருவாங்க. நீங்கள் திரிஷா மாதிரி நினச்சிக்கணும். ஓகே, உங்கள் நேம் என்ன அப்படின்னு கேளுங்க ஃபஸ்ட்டு. என்ன
What's your name? I'm Suganya. Why you like to come in this field? Before in child ages, if you like this field, or now only you came to this field? It just happened suddenly. Okay.
Why you choose the field? Why you choose this field?
I said no, I suddenly came into this field without any knowledge.
Okay. How many hours of one movie?
I can't. Salary
Salary.
more than 1 crore.
Do you like to act to Bollywood hero, Hollywood hero, or Tollywood hero, or Kollywood hero?
Kollywood.
Which actor do you like? Rajinikanth, Kamal Haasan, or Ajit?
Jai. Actor Jai.
How many films this year? How
Sorry?
many films?
Two films.
Which film?
Sorry? You want to know the name?
Which role do you like to play in future? Role of your field.
Family Girl.
You got a chance. If you get a chance to work with Bollywood heroes, do you accept?
No, I won't.
Why you don't like them or what?
I feel good in Kollywood.
But not bad. No, it is not bad to.
Maybe in future I may go.
Who is your favorite hero in Tamil industry?
Vijay.
Okay, then why you told that you like to act with actor Jai?
I like Jay also. You look so beautiful.
What tips?
Tell me some tips. Daily have to do meditation, yoga, which will keep you beauty and fit your body.
How could you reach the crowd in the shooting field?
Somehow I manage. Thank you.
Next, Miss Muttalaga. கை
I am Miss Muthu. I am an interior decorator. If you have any questions about interior designing, you can ask me.
Even we can do interior decoration for a small house.
Yeah, we can very well do. It depends upon just the size may vary, but you can do in any size of house. Only the size will vary.
What amount it takes?
It depends upon the measurements and the type of wood you are using.
Do you have different types of model?
Yeah, we'll provide you we'll show you a catalog. So from that you can choose which model you want, and we'll design you.
have experience in your field?
Yeah, I have experience in this field. I have 5 years experience in this field.
What colors are more attractive in the house interior decoration?
The color of the wood, the color can be chosen by the mica. It depends upon. You can decide. The color you like. You can. Many colors are attractive, but if you
More attractive.
more what you mean red
What
color.
color?
Red
Okay.
color mica, but the wood you can just paint, but the basic color of wood, no. So
In household, hall and kitchens and rooms, what are the materials are using? Suppose halls, now what are the interior decorators are using? Kitchen room, now what are the materials using?
the basic tools we must have,
In kitchen, suppose dark.
sometimes we use some accessories for those drawers, and also it will provide some facilities like cupboard and all. And in the hall we used to do sofas,
Sofas.
some designer works. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, if I get chance to redecorate this hall, how we are going to do it?
It depends upon the owner choice. If
No, I am giving chance this room to redecorate.
I'll decorate with some interior designs like with some sofas and racks, separate rack and table chairs in a new model. That's it. Thank you.
Yes, Miss Sindhu.
Good evening, I'm Sindhu. I have come to play a role on software engineering. Can you ask any questions about software?
You know Java?
Yes.
Where is this used for Java?
Java is mostly used for application project and web-based projects.
Okay.
Java is mostly it's a language paper, but nowadays Java is very useful to build a program. Several projects may be done by Java.
Okay, thank you.
How is your like computer engineering software? Computer software. How is your like?
Oh, I like very much to build a software because it is give more knowledge to me. I can develop my knowledge as long as possible.
Which domain has more opportunity, like Java, .NET, or other DBS?
But nowadays, .NET is very important.
Why you like this field?
Yeah, I have told that.
How can you able to manage your home and going for job for
I can do my level best. I also can do my level best.
how long you working in the field? How many years or months?
Yeah, 10 years.
Latest advanced version in software?
Yes, SAP technology. SAP means systems. Sorry, but SAP is a very advanced technology.
Do you think that still there's a scope for scope in software field? It is good for
to take up a career in a software field when we complete our graduations or
Yeah, it is very useful to know because even not now, it is also useful in your future.
how can we test a software?
First, we have to plan a software, and we can designing it, and then we can test a software. There are different types of tests, and then finally we can implement the software.
Tell about the computer languages.
In older days, there are several languages are used like COBOL, Pascal, but now we have used C, C++, and Java programming. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Ram Mohan. Ram Mohan. One minute. Everybody rest பண்ணிருங்க. முன்னாடி தண்ணி தந்தீங்கன்னா you are blocking the others. நல்லா relax. Okay, back. Okay.
I am Ram Mohan, so I am going to play a role of Hallmark. Do you have any roles that you have taken on? How to take it?
Tell about your food items.
Daily morning, get up and take glass of lager and take oats and during days after 2 days. After sharp o'clock, have a lunch. Evening 5:30, 6 o'clock, have a dinner. Don't take after that. Night, going to go to the bed, take some food. Thank you.
What is your opinion about taking oats? It will reduce our weight or simply for breakfast we are taking? Actually, what is the benefit of taking oats?
Actually, to reduce the cholesterol, that depends on how you are taking the oats. Just take the oats along with the water, you will reduce the cholesterol. If you take the oats along with the milk and added sugar means, again it will not going to any problem.
How can
What are the uses when practicing yoga?
There are many benefits to do the practice of yoga. First of all, you will be very fit, you will not be very lazy, you will always be active, and you will always be sleep.
How can we maintain our body fit?
Do the proper diet, like morning taking, reduce the oil, reduce the cholesterol, means not taking the much non-vegetarian and outside food like fast food, especially for fast food. Then you can
Only meditation or we have to do any other exercise for?
exercise normally.
What are the exercise we have to do?
It's better to do the morning yoga, like Surya Namaskar and some asanas, some specific asanas. You will be active to become active.
You said the Surya Namaskara exercise. What is the benefit of Surya Namaskara? And it is possible to avoid the backbone pain.
If you have severe back pain, don't do the Surya Namaskar.
Okay.
So you have normally if you are fit, then do the Surya Namaskar. To stretch throughout your body, like your hands, legs, back,
Okay,
everything is stretching, so that will be fit.
Okay. So heavy backbone pain, what exercise?
There are
Okay.
different exercises. So lay down and lift your level back up and down and lift your other back. And
Okay.
there's some other exercise which are lower back.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
How can reduce bellies?
That is depending on you. So first of all, you need to reduce the oil food, complete avoid the oil food, and you need to reduce the like all white like milk, sugar, related to whatever is coming in the diet, you need to reduce it. So instead of sugar, take the jaggery, And morning also take the oats and evening chapatis. So try to reduce the rice and take more wheat related product. And do some exercise morning and evening. So morning yoga, evening after walking.
I have daily exercise, abdomen, back pain is.
There are different exercises to help your back pains. So you need to lay down. And as we said earlier, just lift your hand like one leg up and next time one leg up. And do some rotations like how we are doing the temples people will be doing like if you do to reduce hip size also.
How can we increase our body weights? Tell me any tips.
Take proper diet. Morning take 1 egg daily and take some healthy food like some milk, milk.
Here's the village guy.
My name is Baswadi. I am from village. So, and my role is village man.
Tell about your hometown.
It is Vellore district near Arcad from Island village. It is a very beautiful village, and yes, it is very beautiful village.
Do you like to live in village or city?
Sorry.
Do you like to live in city or village?
Health and health-wise, it's good for living village. Reason for is a peaceful life, and air is pure air is getting, and peaceful life means is good. Peaceful life
Village.
for living village.
After coming to the city, what big difference you see from village to city?
The coming in cities, more facilities is available, but it's not peaceful.
Why we have a poor education system in village?
Good education system means there is no colleges, only there is no college, and only schools to level is there. So they not come out studies school level, then after that they will go jobs. So not improved in the village jobs, and families also not supported.
You are from village. Are you interested in doing agriculture?
I'm interested.
What?
If you have the land, if I have the land, that's it.
Okay. Why agriculture lands are become flats or commercial places?
Summer place in dry area, so they will put the land. That's the reason of agricultural land to flat systems going.
Now I request Miss Babita to start with. Please come, Babita. Give her a wonderful applause. Yes, please come. No, Miss. Okay, Babita, please come. Sindhu, come. Sit. Come on, Mike. Michael. Ask questions. One by one.
Hello, madam. how to cook rasam. It's simple, no? Say simply.
Yeah, it's a simple one.
அந்த மைக் வச்சுக்கோங்க கையில் வச்சு.
இது மிளகு பூண்டு அப்புறம் தக்காளி இது எல்லாம் அரைச்சு கடுகு போட்டு தாளிச்சு கருவேப்பிலை எல்லாம் போட்டு தாளிச்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த கரைசலை எடுத்து அதில் ஊற்றி கொதிக்க வைக்கணும். இல்லை அவ்வளோதான் ரசம்.
Okay, madam, I understand. Very nice.
You can able to say the diet for diabetic patient, for sugar patient. What to avoid, what to give.
சுகர் பேஷண்ட்டுக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா காஃபியில் சுகர் போட்டு சாப்பிடக்கூடாது,
Okay.
ஸ்வீட்ஸ் சாப்பிடக்கூடாது, அப்புறம் கிழங்கு வகைகள் சாப்பிடக்கூடாது, பழங்கள் வந்து அது நார்ச்சத்து உள்ள பழங்கள்லாம் சாப்பிடணும், வாழைப்பழம் அப்படிப்பட்ட பழங்கள்லாம் சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. That's all.
Or you prefer vegetarian food or vegetarian food?
Vegetarian food is good. ஏன்னா அது வந்து நான் ஒரு புக்கில் படிச்சிருக்கேன். இப்போ வந்து வெஜிடேரியன் யூஸ் பண்றவங்க வந்து நல்ல மனநிலைமையோட சாஃப்டா இருப்பாங்க அப்படின்ட்டு. இதுவே வந்து நான்வெஜ் அதிகமாக சாப்பிட்றவங்க அந்த மிருக குணத்தோட இருப்பாங்க. நான் ஒரு புக்கில் படித்தேன். ஸோ என்னோட அபிப்பிராயம் அது. நீங்கள் வந்து நான்வெஜ் அவ்வளவா தவிர்த்து வெஜிடேரியன் நிறைய எடுத்துக்கிறது நல்லது.
சாப்பாடு
பீட்சா
how would you explain?
எனக்கு பீட்சா செய்ய தெரியாது சார். ஐ எம் நார்மல் குக். அந்த அளவுக்கு இன்னும் நான் ப்ராக்டிஸ்.
Fried rice செய்யுங்க.
ஃப்ரைட் ரைஸ் வந்து அந்த கேரட் கோஸ் இதெல்லாம் வந்து நல்லா பொடியாக அது வந்து ஆட்டில் போட்டு ஃப்ரை பண்ணிட்டு இந்த ஆனியன் லீவ்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா அதுவும் போடணும். அது ஸ்பைஸ் அது ஆனியன் லீவ்ஸ் போட்டு அது வேக வைத்து சாதத்தை அதுவும் போட்டு ஃப்ரை பண்ணிட்டு உங்களுக்கு வேணும்னா சிக்கன் நான்வெஜ் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இல்லைன்னா அப்படியே எக்கும் போட்டு ஃப்ரை பண்ணி எக்கை போட்டு அதோட சேர்த்து மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி கூட நீங்கள் சாப்பிடலாம்.
Do you think that the fast food items are good for health or what's your opinion? Because nowadays children are more fond of eating those fast food items, no? So what is your opinion about that?
ஃபாஸ்ட் ஃபுட் ஐட்டம்ஸ் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அது வந்து எல்லாருமே லைக் பண்ணுறாங்க. பட் வந்து அது பேட் ஃபார் ஹெல்த். அது ரொம்ப எடுத்துக்கக்கூடாது. எப்பயாச்சும் தேவைன்னா எப்பயாச்சும் நமக்கு ரொம்ப சாப்பிடணுன்ட்டு ஆசையாக இருந்ததுன்னா மட்டும் அதை எடுத்துக்கலாம். டெய்லி யூஸ் பண்ணுறது வந்து நம்மளோட ஹெல்த்தை ஸ்பாயில் பண்ணும். இப்போ நிறைய நோய்கள் வர்றதுக்கு வந்து இந்த ஃபாஸ்ட் ஃபுட் ஐட்டம்ஸ் தான் காரணமாக இருக்கு.
It is easy or difficult for working woman to cook at morning?
நம்ம பாரம்பரிய சமையல வந்து நம்ம வந்து ஒர்க் பண்றவங்க செய்ய முடியாது. ஷார்ட்டா அதாவது ஷார்ட்டா இமீடியட்டா செய்யற மாதிரி ஈஸியா செய்யற மாதிரி சமையலை வந்து நம்ம மார்னிங்ல இது பண்ணிக்கலாம். சண்டே டைம்ஸ்ல வந்து சண்டே ஒரு ஃபெஸ்டிவல் டேஸ்ல வந்து நம்ம பாரம்பரிய சமையலை வந்து
நம்ம செஞ்சு நம்மளோட ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸ்க்கு ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸ்க்கு கொடுக்கலாம்.
ஈஸி ஐட்டம்ஸ்னா மேகி.
ஈஸி ஐட்டம்ஸ்னா தோசை, இட்லி இதெல்லாம் ஈஸி. மாவு அரைச்சி வச்சுட்டு அதை எடுத்து இட்லி ஊற்றிட்டா சமையல் வந்து ஒரு சட்னி அரைச்சி வச்சிடலாம். இந்த மாதிரி ஈஸி ஐட்டம்ஸாக மார்னிங் செய்யறது நல்லது.
பால் பாயாசம் எப்படி பண்றது?
பால் பாயசம் பாலை நல்லா கொதிக்க வச்சிடணும். அதோட வந்து இந்த சேமியா போடுவாங்க. சேமியா இந்த சேமியா போட்டு அதை நல்லா பாயில் பண்ணணும். இந்த சேமியா நல்லா வேகிற வரைக்கும். தனியாக வந்து நீங்கள் பாதாம், இது கேஷ்யூ நட்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் போட்டு ஃப்ரை பண்ணிவிட்டு அதோட மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி ஏலக்காய் பொடிச்சு வச்சு அதோட மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி நீங்கள் சுகர் போடணும். மெயினாக சுகர் போடணும். நீங்கள் வந்து கொடுக்கலாம்.
How do you prepare chicken biryani?
Chicken biryani. It's a big process. I'll tell you later.
Which food is specific you prepare?
Tomato rice.
Your husband like?
Biryani. Thank you.
Thanks, Lynn.
Without doctor prescription, shall we take our own medicine?
No.
Which hospital you are working as a nurse?
Murmusha Hospital in Bombay.
In Bombay.
I'm having the cold and cough, what I need to take? I'm having the cold and cough, what I need to take?
You can avoid cold food and ice cream, cold water.